It's 2023, and the tech industry is at a crossroads. For years, the biggest players have dominated the market, churning out old business models and sucking up all the talent in the sector. But now, a new wave of startups is emerging, powered by generative AI tools and a more effective workforce. Joshua Browder is one of these innovators. His startup, Do Not Pay, had spent years developing a chatbot that could negotiate erroneous or excessive fines and fees on behalf of consumers. But in December of last year, Browder had a breakthrough. The bot talked to Comcast's online customer service and managed to save someone $120 on their broadband bill. It was the first time any such bill had been negotiated purely by AI. Browder says, "We're planning an AI lawyer that can whisper instructions to people through their earphones when they're in traffic court." Browder's startup, valued last year at $210 million, is one of a flurry of new services being hastily built on top of generative AI tools with names like GPT-3 and DALL-E. Other services promise to draft emails, spur new marketplaces, or even replace Google search. Welcome to Zapped. Emergence of new services. This flurry of activity is coming at a time of broader changes to tech. The business models of big tech, which until recently churned out more than $1 trillion in revenue every year, is coming under strain. The Google and Facebook advertising duopoly is shifting to a market where Amazon and Apple are now major threats. Mark Zuckerberg's Meta hired an astonishing 30,000 people during the pandemic, leading him to cut 11,000 jobs in November. Stripe, Snap, and Amazon made similar cutbacks recently, while Elon Musk winnowed Twitter's staff down to about 2,000 from 7,500 in less than 6 weeks. Some 150,000 tech workers lost jobs in 2022. Those left behind are being told to work harder and with greater urgency, or to come to the office more frequently than before. But this painful shakeup was necessary. For the last 5 to 10 years, the tech industry has offered precious few groundbreaking services as it grew fat on old business models. Our most important computing device is still a rectangular metal slab made by Apple or Samsung. Google is so terrified of disrupting its most important revenue source, advertising, that it has barely changed search, and Amazon's AWS is still printing money as the world's biggest cloud provider. The need for innovation. The industry and its biggest players haven't been very innovative lately. But with the arrival of Web 3.0, everything is about to change. Web 3.0 will bring a whole new level of innovation to the internet, and it's going to revolutionize the way we do everything online. Imagine a world where content creators, developers, and users are all on a level playing field. Where the power is distributed more evenly, and where you don't have to give up your personal data to use online services. Web 3.0 will create a new generation of social media platforms that are decentralized and don't rely on a central authority to operate. It will also make the internet more secure by using blockchain technology to create tamper-proof records of transactions and activities. And it will give people more control over their digital lives by providing new tools for privacy, identity, and expression. With Web 3.0, the possibilities are endless. And that's why it's so exciting to see companies like Ethereum, Polkadot, and Solana leading the way. The race is on to build the best Web 3.0 infrastructure, and the winners will be the ones who can create the most useful and accessible tools for developers and users alike. It won't be easy, but the potential rewards are enormous. For the first time in years, the tech industry has a chance to create something truly groundbreaking, something that can change the world for the better. So get ready for Web 3.0, because it's coming fast, and it's going to be amazing. Challenges to Web 3.0. But the road to Web 3.0 is not without its challenges. It's not just a matter of building new infrastructure and tools, it's about creating a new way of thinking about technology and the internet. Many developers are struggling to adapt to the new paradigm, and there's a steep learning curve for those who are used to the centralized, closed systems of Web 2.0. But there are also many innovators who are embracing the challenge and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're building decentralized apps, experimenting with new blockchain protocols, and exploring the potential of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and virtual reality. And they're doing it all with a focus on privacy, security, and user control, something that's sorely lacking in the current tech landscape. Conclusion: Web 3.0 promises to be a more democratic, user-centric internet where individuals have greater control over their data and can interact with each other in a more direct and transparent way. It's a bold vision, and there are no guarantees of success. But if the tech industry can rise to the challenge, we could be on the cusp of a new era of innovation and progress. So let's embrace the possibilities of Web 3.0 and work together to create a better, more connected world. Are you ready to be part of the next technological revolution? And what role will you play in shaping the future of the internet? Stay informed about the latest developments in the tech industry and the exciting world of Web 3.0 by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.
Someone wanted me to keep in touch with their business, so look what they gave me. Ditch the cardstock, save the trees, and join the future with Zapped. Instantly share your contact details with prospective customers with just a tap using the Zapped NFC card or tag.